Good morning, students. We have learned how to change active voice into passive voice and all the rules we have learned. And this also we know that only 8 tenses out of 12 are changed from active voice to passive voice. Some more we are going to learn, but in these sentences you will know that according to tense there is same rules, but little bit difference is there in these sentences. Just like 8 we have done, and this is 0.9 means passive. Some passive voice without agent means विदाउट एजेंट मीन्स ईयर कि हमने जितनी भी पैसिव अभी तक फॉर्म की है उन सब में हमने बाय के साथ एजेंट लगाया है, जैसे बाय मी, बाय यू, बाय हिम, लाइक दिस मीन्स सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रपोजिशन बाय. बट देयर आर सम सेंटेंसेस हियर द एजेंट इज अंडरस्टूड when we change passive form, so there is no need to put agent. So we can say ki passive without agent. How we do? People speak English all over the world, means this is understood ki people speak English. So we can say to change passive, English is spoken all over the world. जो main thing is there, subject and verb. Next is police arrested the thieves. Here main thing is the thieves and arrested. The thieves were arrested. This is understood कि police arrested the thieves. So in passive form there is no need for agent. Someone has stolen my watch. My watch has been stolen. There is no need to say someone. So these are the examples of some sentences. Here agent is understood and sentence is complete, then we no need to put agent in the end of the sentence. Now there's next kind of sentences are with modals. Modals verbs, when we use modals auxiliary verb, then how to change passive form. So this is the rule कि with modal verb we take verb first. Just like I may help you, she can do this work, like this. So with modal verb we take verb first when we make active voice. But in passive voice with modal verb we take be, then verb third. So modal be plus verb third. In this way we change into passive form. Like Sita could help me. So I could be helped by Sita. So main thing is there, modal verb be plus verb third. You must write a book. A book must be written by you. So here main thing is must be means modal be plus verb third. Modal be plus verb third. I may purchase a pen. A pen may be purchased by me. You should obey your parents. Your parents should be obeyed by you. Now there are some imperative sentences. How to change? So first question is there कि what is imperative sentence? When the verbs express command, advice or request in the sentences, these are called imperative sentences. And these sentences begin with verb first. And in passive voice begin with let. How to make? Example is there. Post this letter. So here verb first, post. So these imperative sentences begin with verb first. Post this letter. And how to change passive form? Let this letter be posted. यानी कि here we I told you that कि with let we start. Let plus subject plus be then verb third. And the subject is put. This is about this rule. The subject is put between the let and be. Then verb third we use. Imperative sentence can be changed. Next thing is that here we change with let, but we can change interrogative sentence in 3 ways. Into passive form we can change in 3 ways. With let, this let plus subject plus be then verb third. Subject plus should be plus verb third. या अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस, जस्ट लाइक order इज देयर, अगर ऑर्डर है देन यू आर ऑर्डर्ड टू, और रिक्वेस्ट है देन यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू, सजेशन है देन यू आर सजेस्टेड टू. लाइक दिस वी कैन चेंज दिस. वन एग्जाम्पल इज हियर, डू इट. दिस इज ए इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस और ये ऑर्डर है कि इसे करो. डू इट, इसे करो. तो फर्स्ट हाउ वी चेंज, लेट इट बी डन. तो लेट प्लस सब्जेक्ट बी देन वर्ब थर्ड. नेक्स्ट वे सेकेंड हम कैसे बना सकते हैं, इट सब्जेक्ट प्लस शुड बी, इट शुड बी डन. इट सब्जेक्ट प्लस शुड बी प्लस वर्ब थर्ड. एंड नेक्स्ट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंस. So this is the order, so we can change you are ordered to do it. So in this three way we can change active voice into passive voice. Next is type this letter. So let this letter be typed, या this letter should be typed. Negative sentence how can we make, because imperative sentences negative when we start these start with do not, does not. So do not inform the police. So how we make, let the police not be informed. Not we will put between the after the subject and be. So let the police not be, before be we put not informed. And second way is the police should not be informed. So not is put between should or be. So in this way we make these imperative sentences. Next rule about the imperative sentences, कि however when the imperative sentences begin with please or kindly, because sometimes these sentences begin with please and kindly, so the sentence in the passive voice takes the word you are requested followed by the active infinitive, means you are requested, after this we put to, then same sentence यानी कि with verb first we use, and please or kindly is removed. Please help him. This is the example. You are requested to help him. So you are requested, then to means active infinitive, and then as it is verb first and object. Help him. So sentence is there. Please help him. This is active, and passive is you are requested to help him. Next is kindly show me your new watch. You are requested to show me your new watch. As it is, we will put this sentence after you are requested to. Next rule is about this. When the advice ordered is limited up to subject, because many a time there is no object in sentence. तो when the advice and order is limited up to subject, जो हमारा advice है या order है वो subject तक limited है, then the action is not carried forward to the object. और जो action है वो object तक नहीं जाता. The sentence in the passive voice takes the word you are advised, you are ordered, and followed by the active infinitive. Why? To plus first we use. Now work hard. Here is no object. So how we will make, you are advised to work hard. Here is no object, and object is not carried up to, means action is not carried up to object. So we will make like in this way. Keep to the left. You are advised to keep to the left. Stand up on the bench. You are ordered to stand up on the bench. So these sentences we make in the single way. In those sentences action is not carried forward to the object. Means जो action है वो अगर object तक नहीं जाता है तो हम एक ही तरीके से इन sentences को तैयार करेंगे. So we have learned कि how to change imperative sentences from active voice to into passive voice. And there are some more kind of sentences we have to change. So but we will do these sentences in the next video.